Hello, this is George Senda, the real, official, authentic, original, one and only, the guy from Pittsburgh. And yes, Friday when I killed my frying pan and almost did myself in, I had forgotten that I left my spatula in the frying pan. So I thought I would show you what the spatula looks like. Now, it looks like, I don't know how to describe this, kind of weird motor oil, and it's sticky, and I thought better of it to try to scrub it off, and this is the only spatula I had, and this gunk is all the way up down. Ugh, yuck. It is all the way down the handle. So here's the Spatula of Death. Let me turn this so you can see it. And this is what happens when Teflon melts onto a spatula. And I'll turn the other side. And there's no way I can use this. This was my mother's spatula, so I killed my mother's cooking spatula. It's the only spatula I own. I have one that's really weird. It's a spatula, but it's got holes in it, like a strainer. I don't quite understand that. But that's what this looks like. And that will be going in the garbage. There's no in hell. I don't think there's anyone in hell that can get this sticky stuff off. It felt like glue when I tried to scrub it off, and then I thought better of it. Do I really want to have my food on this? And I said no. So there it is, the Spatula of Death, and that will be going. It's not even going to go in the recycle bin. I'm just going to throw it down the chute. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh, off to feed the cats. Interesting day in football today. I would have picked the Vikings, and my pick's just guessing, looking at the game highlights before I even saw the highlights. I would have done pretty well if I'd been actually picking. I said, this guy is a win. These guys aren't playing well. The Bills aren't playing, but I thought the Bills would win. So, and I repost all the highlights on my paranormal news forum, and they're fairly popular, 60, 70 views, because I publish every video I can. All right, have a great evening. It's 6 o'clock. Bunk, 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 bunk. And off to feed the kitties. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be, and stay safe out there. Bye-bye for now.